Hello and welcome to a monster bashing video from RC Empire featuring our very own HPI Savage X4.6. Now, as you saw in the last episode, we replaced the clutch bell because it had stripped and put on a new stock plastic spur gear. This is only the second or so part we've ever had to change on this truck since we bought it brand new in 2008. And as you can see, the truck is still an absolute powerhouse, pulling wheelies on command on the grass and hitting the same top speeds it's always done. Now what we have also done to keep it a little more planted to the track and really let us throw it into the corners is of course put the HPI Dirt Bones tyres on, which were not stock to this truck, but we've also used some zip ties to pull the chassis down towards the lower arms and keep the chassis nice and low. We've also got a HPI aluminium polished tuned pipe on it too, again different to the stock plastic one, and this really sounds good. Now I don't think we've got any bashing videos with this truck at the moment, but we've got a lot of great ones to come, and this truck is fantastic, especially when you raise the chassis up and take it for some serious off-roading. So do watch out for our coming videos with this legendary monster truck. But that's it for this video. Please let us know in the comments if you would like to see anything in particular, and please do rate, comment, subscribe and share for more content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.